Sir Hasan Sohrawardi was a surgeon, an army officer, a professor, and the first Muslim vice-chancellor of the University of Calcutta. He was born into the famous Sohrawardi family of Midnapur in 1884. Sir Hasan Sohrawardi's father, Ubaidullah al-Ubaidi Sahib, was an educationist, poet, linguist, and social reformer. The British government had bestowed upon him the title of Baharul Uloom or Vidyasagar. His elder sister's son was Hussain Shahid Sohrawardi, the Prime Minister of undivided Bengal. The elder sister, Khujista Akhtar Banu, was an extremely talented woman. She established a school for girls in Kolkata in 1909 called Sohrawardia Girls' School, and she was also the first Muslim woman to pass the senior Cambridge examination. Sir Hasan Sohrawardi took his education from Dhaka Madrasa, Dhaka College, and Kolkata Medical College. Then he went to Dublin, Edinburgh, and other places of Europe for pursuing higher studies. Hasan Sohrawardi was the first Muslim vice-chancellor of the University of Calcutta, and he was the first Muslim FRCS. He taught at the Department of Islamic History and Culture at the University of Calcutta. Apart from the University of Calcutta, he was the member of the court and also of the working committee in the Dhaka and Aligarh universities at different points of time. He was deeply connected with these universities for a long time and worked as an educationist also, and was a senior officer at the Public Health and Hygiene Department of the government. While working as the Chief Medical Officer at Eastern Railways, he established the railway's own nursing department and arranged for an ambulance. He was an advisor to the Simon Commission, a member of, and for the next 2 years, the Vice President of the Bengal Legislative Council. He worked as the Associate Officer and Associate Commander of the Venerable Order of St. John. The most prestigious post that he held during his career was that of an advisor to the Secretary of State for India. While serving in this important post, he also devoted time to social work. He founded a People's Welfare Association called Anjuman Khadimul Anam and was involved in other kinds of social work as well. In 1936, he established a creche for the children of workers. 5,190 children benefited from this creche and were provided with free food and milk. This was a rare feat in British-ruled India. The contribution of Sir Hasan Sohrawardi in discussing and spreading the Islamic knowledge is extraordinary. During his stay in England from 1939 to 1944, he took initiative in establishing a few mosques and centers for the discussion of Islamic knowledge. We can say that the construction of the East London Mosque and Center for Islamic Studies was completed in the August of 1941 for his endeavour. Kaisar-e-Hind and the British government bestowed a knighthood upon him. The University of London conferred upon him the title of LL.D. Two world-famous politicians, Earl Grey and Earl Baldwin, achieved that title at that time. Sir Suravardi wrote a number of books on medical science for the general readers. These are Mother and Infant Welfare, Control of Venereal Diseases, Control of Malaria, among others. He also wrote a number of other books such as Calcutta and Environs, World Religions, Their Contrast and Resemblances, Truth About Muhammad and Mohammedanism, Islam, and many others. Sir Suravardi, a great personality, passed away on 18th September 1946.